Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a cup design in CATIA software and how to easily drawing this design, and all process is learn here a step to a step, and this cup design is very easy and clearly in CATIA software. Okay, this is a multi-section view is drawing here, you can see here, and this is a isometric view is also, this is isometric view and all is perfect. This is inward, inside and outside, all is a, and this is a handle is also correct, and this cup is designed here. This body is looking perfect. Okay, let's start here design here. Okay, okay, okay. At first select a mechanical design and select a wireframe and surface design, and this is a okay. And at first click a XY plane and select a sketch, draw a circle. Circle is a this point, and this mention any dimension. Dimension is 70 millimeter. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Some use a extrude command, and this direction is a 70 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and also this is a perfect, and again select this is a YZ plane and select sketch and draw a spline command. A spline is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a perfect, and okay, and some this is a mention here. Okay, this is a looking perfect, this is a correct, and all is a looking better. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and exit. Okay, and select any plane. Plane is a select here, and this profile and select a point. Okay, this is a correct, and this plane is select and a sketch. Okay, draw a any circle anywhere drawing here and mention any dimension. Dimension is a okay, this is a 8 millimeter is correct. Okay, 8 millimeter is correct, and select this point. Select this point and press Ctrl button, and this point is a relation is a coincidence. Okay, click OK. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and also this is a okay, and select a okay, select a sweep command is used here, and first is a profile and second is guide curve. At first select this profile and select guide curve, and preview is showing here. This is a perfect, and click OK. All is looking perfect, and some okay, again this is a open, and select this, use a fill command and select this and click preview is showing here. This is a close. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, all is hide because this body is looking perfect. All line is a drawing, this is a hide, and okay, all is hide. All plane is also hide because this body is looking perfect. And okay, and one command is again use here. This is a more, but use a some split command is used here, and click this face and click this. Okay, preview is showing here. This preview is okay. This is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. And some color is used here. At first this color is a blue color. Okay, and again this is a use a pink color is better. Okay, pink color is correct. And also this color is better. Okay, all is looking perfect, but this color is a use a red color and also very nice. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct and so nice looking here. Okay, this is a looking perfect. And isometric view is also drawing this body and so nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, this cup is a drawing here. All process is learn here. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.